You came for the geode. You want the geode. So I'll give you the geode. Let's go, friends. An incredible marvel of Mother Nature's beauty. A glorious example of what Mother Earth can create. Greetings, friends. Michael Parrish here with CosmicCuts.com with this absolutely sensational, high-quality Amethyst Geode in a round formation, which you don't see too often. It's pretty rare and pretty amazing. Love these big old crystal points on her. Really nice and beautiful. The way that the light shimmers and glistens and glimmers and mesmerizes you any way the light hits it. Truly a thing of beauty. A couple really cool uniquities with this piece, which we'll get into a little later and do a close-up for you. There's a nice red and blue agate that goes all the way around the crystal, framing it, making that purple color pop. Really sensational. Got this amazing amethyst flower formation here. And you can see into the geode here with a nice bit of clear quartz. Now that is truly unique. It's just one of the main things that makes this piece absolutely incredible. But enough of me yapping about it. Let's take a closer look at all the incredible things this Amethyst Geode has to offer. Oh yes, ma'am. What a treat for the senses. What a treat for the soul. Nice deep dark purple crystals. Indication of very high quality amethyst. Absolutely amazing. When the light hits it just right, you get a couple rainbow prisms in there, like there and there, there and there. At the top here, check this out. Right here. Incredible! I love it. We got this sensational amethyst flower formation here. This incredible amethyst flower formation here. That nice, beautiful red, white, and blue agate. It's all the way around the crystal, framing her. Making that purple, nice and bold and beautiful. The agate is going to be a harmonizing gemstone, so create balance and harmony in your space. Amethyst is going to connect you to the divine, heal your crown chakra, promote a calming sense of well-being, promote deeper connections with the people around you, and especially the people you care the most about. Absolutely incredible. Kind of forms into a round Rosetta formation here. Sensational example of Mother Nature's art. Of course, we got this quartz cavity here. See right into it. Absolutely amazing. So unique that you see it like that. Look at that, you got like a quartz sandwich in there. Sensational. Well, friends, there's amazing specimens available now at CosmicCuts.com. We have more world-class crystal specimens. We got sage. We got Palo Santo, Amethyst Geodes galore, healing collection bags, individual healing tumbled stones, you name it, my friends. CosmicCuts.com is your one-stop shop for spiritual enlightenment and crystal wonder. Have an incredible day.